Hello everyone, my name is Tan. Today I will share my project from the 9012 course, a wearable water connection device designed from the Yuelamu community in the NTA. In recent years, Yuelamu has faced serious drought. The underground water has high salt levels, agent pollution has increased, and drinking water is very limited. My goal is to design a tool that is both culturally meaningful and practical to help them deal with the storage of water. So during the research stage, I look at Elam's climate data, community culture, and local art features. I also study examples of water collection technologies. In Elam art, circles and wave lines often represent water sources and flow. I use these elements in my design so that the device is not only functional but also shows identity and culture. This is the background of my design. I also wanted to use knowledge I learned before, which is one reason I chose to make a wearable device. Here's my user persona analysis. These users all have a high demand of water resources. My method is culturally responsive co-design. This method focuses on the respecting and including the community's values and attributes during the design process to make sure the product is both usable and effective. In the testing stage, I did 3 rounds of materials and function tests. The results give me more inspiration and help me improve the structure of the device. And this is my map, the sources of inspiration, and the draft. The final design is a wearable water connection device, including a consideration layer, a heat conduction layer, and a water container. The guidelines in the device use Elam's traditional patterns, so it can also operate naturally in the community events. In the future, I hope to work with the local designers, use low cost and locally available materials, and promote the product to more geographic communities. This project still has some limitation, such as the link of direct interaction with the community, limited materials testing, and not enough data collection. However, this experience taught me that design is not only about making a product, but also about creating space for dialogue in the community and sending a message that people have the right and ability to respond to a crisis. And there's my visual journal. And thanks for your watching.